want to start the first syllable in the blood clot word. Eh? When I see the words, them just skip on the thing. Come here, say, even if I'm talk, me no know. Because them words there where me no know. So I just skip past it and I wait for the words there where me know. For me, say, all right, I need a bit of argument. So if she come the next day,
she come out.
Something.
Them
see one in there.
We're not arguing with Kitty, my love, because we never pass for Casey, we never pass for Alpha, we never pass for Alden, we never pass for Immaculate.
None of them there.
Queens. We go Waterford, Greater Portmore, some go Ascot, and look
Greater Portmore.
Some go Cumberland. We don't know them school, my love, so there are 4 more. Any big word you're going to use, you have to tell her to go use it on Curvy Diva. We get full education.
She's going to use it on our type. She's going to use it on our people and on our league. Because I'm not going to lie, she's going to use it for me. I'm really have to go sit down for a good while. For go pronounce it much less, for learn to spell it, for go type it in. Because if you not type it in good, you're not going to get the right meaning.
Me don't know what kind of blood clot education more blood clot have and so much high-tech phone there. Anything more so tell Siri for blood clot, tell me. Siri just want...
Alexa.
Mr. Girl, if you ever say to Siri to spell the word boy, you don't pronounce the word boy, Siri not spell it, she make you know so she don't understand. Siri, I make you know plain and straight, so you're my master, but I don't understand what's the word boy, Quincy, I don't understand. What kind of blood clot?
I cannot help you with that. I cannot help you with that.
What kind of degree with the when we blood class school life? We not have no school, we're not gonna school, but we have business, we have business outside hustling, yeah.
We not look on blood clot she. The amount of resume and application form with that big old bitch send out and none never call her with a bag of education. Why she not go turn a liar? Why she not go in a politics? Why she not go in there?
Nikki, when I walk going in the office, go sit down on a blood clot, come with that.
I'm in the AC dry up with blood clot finger them.
No, and your finger not gonna dry up. The AC gonna dry up your brain so you can get cataract in your eye quicker. You have to look on the laptop, the whole blood clot here. We like to chop on in the ground. We like to chop on in the ground. With skin pigmentation. With skin pigmentation, good my love, so we like stand up in the sun and chop on in the ground, yeah.
That's truth. I'm not
what we like though.
But now sit down, but now turn up and walk up and down in and no blood clot is is bored through my blood clot.
We don't want no can. Any can we're supposed to catch when we stand up in our dance and dance Vybz Kartel. That's the only can we're supposed to catch.
Listen, this woman so blood clot bright and intelligent and come down to we don't get so we're done. Make we done go for China.
For true.
Make we don't go for you. Make we go for you and they can put them in our legs. Oh, you so bright and intelligent and come all the way from the page.
Are you not blood clot horse? You're not horse.
Exactly.
You're not reach this for Magnum Carlio. You're not reach Jesus Rising Star. You're not reach none of them.
Listen now.
Yes, that's
the whole of the woman things them shut down. The whole of the woman things them shut down, you know. So you know, so
we can't go sit down on the stage. First thing I'm say we come from the ghetto wrong address if my Italian.
We're not even gonna sit down good. We're gonna sit down and sit down good like that's a number one skirt. I'm gonna tell for lack of food every minute. We could all
go on the interview now and tear up blood clot stacking and a puff for cigarette right in front of the manager we're gonna hire away. So tell me now, you're rude.
You're rude, bad.
You don't take up people business for that head for true, because anybody can say anything they want to say. If you feel, oh, you feel, what's the big deal? You know, can say things sometimes where you don't mean to.
Anybody can say it, and anybody can say it. Look how much things your blood clots out her mouth, but never yet leave from my page and go on that big old asshole, put the whole page and come blood clot say, eh. Never.
Love take up people. She love take up people. Business for her head. I should have never gone on one nice because she go take up one gurgle and gurgle down the belly more. And the belly should go gurgle down more.
And the money done with the woman used to do the body and that gunner, no. She take the one money and just do the body and I just eat that I just done the say no. So she try anything what she can right now upon the young people, let me know. You know, so them sister, all of them look work here, what them do right now, the commercials and them things and TVJ and TVM and ITV and RETV now,
Yeah.
and social media do it. Alright, so she come. I start from me. Yeah, the one for social media.
She's supposed to tell them, say, instead of them, I put one glass of water at the table and I refill it 2 times. Then for put 4 glasses of water because she full of shot breath and asthma killer. And she can't spray the pump while on ear. She can't spray the pump while on ear.
You know, somebody else realize them is kitchen and have no child. She doesn't say that's why she's so ignorant. She eats all of them and she's sorry. She eats all of them and belch and she's sorry. She hurt you will still have the chance to can breathe. We are to finish up and burn.
And what I think them not to eat pitney, my love, because them can always have them pitney and bounce back right in the office.
Where's that?
And them not to eat pitney because them can have them pitney and 9 months after them bounce back right in the office.
Right in the office and them can work when them have them pitney.
Nah, you make her eat the pitney them, my love, because you don't have no option. You don't know where the man got turn it from go left or go right.
We don't know what we have body for time for blood clotting. We can think after well this we don't want this, we don't want a man, we want a brown man, we don't want a black man, yeah.
When we put in with GPS, anyway, the GPS tell us to go, my love, we can follow it, so we don't want no more education than that. We know we country.
Nothing at all.
Me say, God do a good thing, I'm not tell a lie. God do a good thing, me go back to Jamaica. Where the words them little on the street, them easy to pronounce. Just like when I have market, I want to look at easy pronunciation, that's for me. But over here, when you have manners, I'm going to go back to the vicious thing them.
Listen, members say them start here for the big words, them, and when you guys do the first thing, them start a community. Community, them start first when we're young. Them start here for the big words, them say, if we fly out and go at least we know 1 and 2, we not know it. You come with your big blood clot education. Afraid no who? You ain't afraid of me. Say, it's where just
Nikki, the big words them now, but the big words them now, but the brain should come and here come speak Spanish. I just have to put Siri side of the phone and record and make Siri record. And when we're done, we just listen over back what she say and translate in English. And that's what we do. Come and speak Spanish.
That you need some Spanish, some French, and them words people. But you need to shock with. Because she come with things that people have already.
The last time somebody tell me for spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious a brain tumor I'm a catch. A brain tumor my blood clot catch right away.
Yeah. But I know education I come with some words where I don't even know if I start the first syllable in the blood clot word. And when I see the words that I don't keep on come here say even if I'm talk, me no know. Because them words there where me no know. So I just skip past it and I wait for the words that where me know. So me say alright, I need a bit of argument. So
she come and use big words, my love. She come and use big words. And I talk about all cow. Look how cow blood clot big. Me can't hold on one blood clot cow for lick one cow. The cow will go buck me and kick me. Tell me about mosquito when I understand I know for clap. Tell me about mosquito what kind of cow you come and talk about. Look how cow big. Look how cow blood clot big. Tell me about mosquito, man.
You know, say if I remember even one word when I come and blood clot, I know what if I remember what if. I can't remember one word then. What is up on the live? I just keep it. I mean, the boy I can't make the politics chat about. I mean this. Me say, how are they going to politics chat about? Me say, I mean this. I'm going to say, where for my word, them I know enough. Big, done, bitch, slut, crosses. I done some pick up and say, yeah, I mean shit.
What we blood clot know our answer? What we blood clot know our answer to? What we not know we leave it a blood clot alone. We can't shame ourselves on top of shame. We share about the can't see what's no more. What we know, we address what we don't know, we leave it as it blood clot is.
So what should you want me for blood? What should you want me for do? What should you want me for do? Feel bad to me done. Come hungry and me a beg and me try to something me not say me beg and
kick it back up on the live and I buff it. But you know, she not buff it direct, but you know, one and two things, and Nikki, actually I say, yeah, but she not call her name, but you know we not go to school, but we school in life, human psychology, I with one name. Yeah, what I start with SRP, I not even know. Yeah, human psychology, so I say, shape
just now.
You know, say, girl, we know you go to school, you know context clue when teacher write here, all right, you say write that sentence, context clue or something like that name. Yeah, so let's say money and body, so we know say Nikki in a money problem. And a Nikki nobody. So we say, yeah, we know say Nikki shot.
I see 1 and 2 people say to me, I say, I can't answer the woman. I mean, so when I say I can't answer one woman, I must do the word them, I'm a come off. I start with the big words, I'm a come off. Come here and say, I'm not like a woman here fix up my blood clot, yeah, I nearly have cast, yeah. I say, yo, me I say, I come off, right? Me hear it again, me go back on it again. Me hear the big word them, me head hurt, me say, I come off. Then I say, no, mama, sit down and listen what that woman here say. Sit down and listen.
Me not promise. Me not promise nobody for answer them when them use the word caution to me, my love. When them tell me about dangerous, I will respond.
Where, sir?
Me not promise nobody for answer to them when them use the word caution to me, my love. When them say dangerous, I will respond.
Say that no caution.
Me no know caution, me know dangerous.
Be a weird for her, you know, she'll go up on our radio station and it's gonna be like, I've been getting a lot of DMs with a lot of my fans messaging me and letting me know that this creature is on live and she's tarnishing my neck. I know she'll go out with that stuff then.
Ma.
Tonight now, man, I'm gonna take them to come and answer my order.
Yeah, she's gonna get more words than any blood clot, but yes, I said tonight, me know she's sitting in front of the dictionary for you, and girl, I say you're dead, man.
You know she's gonna sit down in the dictionary. She can't argue with me because I'm not gonna argue with me because I'm not gonna understand. I'm not ask you. And the educated people, I'm not going to come in and DM and break it down to me. Then
waste that time.
They have to go sit down and break it down to me.
Waste that time.
This trifle.
I'm ignorant.
I'm supposed to blood clot this trifle for anything. I live a friend and I have my money, I have my side hustle plus what the government give me.
Preacher Shago said, Dali, watch my live at down 24 seconds. Wait, see if I go back live and join it. My live is done. I'm going to keep it tomorrow.
All right. No, I go to one boy. I leave out late.